Working with legacy graphic design files and dealing with an FH freehand drawing, these contain vector artwork from a discontinued Adobe Vector Graphics application. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to handle these Adobe freehand drawing files. I always keep a Magic software utility on standby for the toughest FH files. That's our guaranteed solution if the initial steps don't work. An FH file is a vector graphics drawing created by Adobe FreeHand, originally Macromedia FreeHand. It contains paths, shapes, text, and layout information used for illustrations and page design. Users typically search for this to open or convert legacy design files for use in modern software like Adobe Illustrator. The format is a proprietary binary structure containing vector objects defined by mathematical equations, Bézier curves, rather than pixels. This design allows for infinite scalability without loss of quality, which is essential for professional print and logo design. Each version introduced new structural complexities. The FH extension has a direct link to the Adobe FreeHand MX application by Adobe Systems Incorporated. The file requires specific internal validation routines that only the proprietary software performs. Windows displays simplified versions of vector files, so editing must be done elsewhere. The very first step is to check which program successfully reads the file's header. Right-click the FH file and click Open With. Test Adobe FreeHand MX if present. If it is unavailable, select another program. We need to check every option. If you still cannot open your FH file, that is okay. Let's immediately implement 3 focused troubleshooting steps to find the underlying issue. First, opening in Adobe Illustrator. Try opening FH files in Adobe Illustrator, which historically included freehand import support. Use File then Open to load the file. Older Illustrator versions handle FH files better than current versions since Adobe gradually reduced legacy format support. Consider using Illustrator CS5 or earlier for best FH file compatibility if available. Next, converting with Inkscape. Inkscape's compatibility with FH files is limited but worth trying. Open Inkscape and use File, then Open to attempt loading the FH file. If unsuccessful, use freehand conversion tools or services to convert FH files to SVG or AI format. First, then open the converted files in Inkscape for editing in the open source vector graphics environment. Finally, using conversion services. For inaccessible FH files, use online conversion services or commercial conversion tools designed for legacy file formats. Services like CloudConvert may handle FH files converting to PDF, SVG, or AI formats. Alternatively, contact graphic design service providers offering legacy file conversion as a paid service for important business or archival files. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. At this stage, your most reliable recourse is a comprehensive solution like FileMagick. It's built to bypass the limitations of basic tools, available at filemagick.com. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.